sa PBA on tour. Panang po ng Pure Foods at ng Wellcoat. Lamang pong Wellcoat ng 11 points. Ito yung atake ni Joe Devance. Napasabit. Itong si Reda Ralimi. Kumagat sa fake. Na hindi niya kailangan gawin dahil kamay niya
Pagka 7-footer, tinaas mo yung dalawang braso mo. Ng 8.5 siguro, 9 feet yan.
Dahil kung 7 feet ka, tapos pag tinaas mo braso mo, naging 7'2" ka lang, may diferensya. Kamay mo.
Yung malaki problema nun.
Oo.
As Devance will knock in his first free throw. That is his first point since the first quarter of action. Speaking of cold spells, si James Yap is still stuck at 5 points for this ball game. At dito sa second quarter, it's been Roger Yap and Kirby Raimundo carrying the offensive load para dito sa Giants.
A split from the line para dito kay Joe Devance. 2:37 remaining here in the first half. Here's Roger Yap. There you go to Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo working against Devance. Raimundo to the cutting Ralimi. Hindi natanganan yung bola. Ito naman fast break muli ng Wellcoat Dragons. And finished by Jaire Ibanez.
Excellent leak out on the part of Jaire Ibanez at nasilip naman ng kanyang mga kakampi na tumakbo na siya. He's got 8 points in this ball.
He's only averaging 2.6 points here in the Fiesta Conference.
Maraming tuwan-tuwa yung mga kaibigan niya sa UP.
Another miss dito by Pure Foods. Here's another try, this time by Jondan Salvador.
That is going to be the first 2 points for Jondan Salvador, and he cuts this Wellcoat lead back to 12.
Royan Bagyon orchestrating the play. Goes to Marquis Ganos. Ito naman Joe Devance tries his own version of a 3. The ball will go out of bounds in favor of the Pure Foods TJ Giants. 1 minute and 35 remaining here in the first half. 12-point lead para po sa Wellcoat, mga kaibigan. Tandaan yung po ninyo, Wellcoat po ang nanalo na kanilang first meeting. Double si James Yap sa corner. Ito na naman another turnover para sa Pure Foods. Marquis Ganos, nawala yung bola, napulot ni Devance. Itong si Salansang, balik kay Ganos. They set up their offense. Here's Bagyon looking for a teammate. Mike Salansang kicks it out. Ibanez, binigay kay Devance, give and go play. Basket.
Sabay suntok sa hangin itong si Jaire Ibanez. 10 big points para dito sa bata.
Dito sa ating first half, itong Wellcoat talagang mas aggressive lang sa kanilang mga kalaban. Mukhang mas gutom lang talaga itong Wellcoat Dragons sa game na to so far.
5-game losing streak na naman as we see Roger Yap rim out another 3-point attempt. At itong Wellcoat Dragons now with a chance to post the biggest lead of this game on this offensive thrust.
And if you look at the faces of the Pure Foods TJ Giants, parang nagulat rin sila dito sa pinapakita dito ng Wellcoat. And they don't know what is happening to their team dahil after that big game, kusan maganda na pinakita rin ng lahat ng players ng Pure Foods. Ito biglang bumagsak na naman laro nila sa first half.
At saka ang tinalo ng Pure Foods nung nakaraang Wednesday, league leading Coca-Cola Tigers ngayon. Team standings. I don't think you can attribute it to overconfidence dahil nung round number 1 nanalo na nga etong Wellcoat kontra Pure Foods. Kaya ito nasya-shock lang talaga ang mga Giants.
It's always a dilemma for the coaches on how to motivate your players when you're you faced a top team nga, tapos you won a big game. Tapos ito naman yung nasa bottom team naman talaga yung sunod mong kalaban. So medyo roller coaster yan in terms of motivation is concerned. At siguro nga, they are not as focused pagpasok sa laro na to as they were nung kalaban nila yung league leader. 14-point lead dito para sa Wellcoat. Here's Ganos.
There's going to be an offensive foul, illegal pick set.
Offensive foul number 17 for
Gumanti lang. Kanina pa siya
Kanina pa nasasaktan
Oo. In the meantime, 30 ito, nagpapaliwanag si Froilan Bagyon. Sabi niya, naniwala naman siya pero sabi niya, hindi rin.
Hindi pa rin. Oo
Okay.
na nga, pero hindi.
Okay, paalala po natin, bukas po sa Araneta Coliseum, ang ating mga laban. Meron po tayong PBA team against the Cocolo Tigers and ang Golden Beverage Masters. Hahamunin po ang Red Bull Barako. Yan po ang ating mga magagandang laban bukas sa Araneta Coliseum. At yan po ay shot of the crowd sa Mindanao Civic Center sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte.
Napakaganda ng mga games natin tomorrow as Talk and Text will try and snap a 3-game losing streak. Makakatapat yung isa sa mga leader natin, Coke. First game pa lang yun, ha? Kaya
Yun.
agahan nyo po ang punta sa Big Dome.
Yun na nga no? At maganda rin yung second game. Of course, Magnolia and Red Bull.
Magnolia's won back-to-back. Red Bull has just gotten back on the winning track. Napaka-interesante ng mga ball game na yan.
Ito na yung nahanap po kanina, si Joey Mente. Pinasok na for this play para sa Wellco Dragons.
No fouls to give para sa Welco.
Ito na si James Yap. Binibigyan ng screen ni Ralini. James Yap umatake, one fig. Dalaway kumagat. Binigay dito sa ilalim. Wala! Rebound goes to Wellco. Perfect first half for the Wellco Dragons in their bid to snap out of a 5-game losing skid. And they are looking good against the Pure Foods TJ Giants. That's our score at the end of the first half. Lamang po ng 14 puntos ang Wellco Dragons, 49-35.